guys sa hapong ito. At kakatapos lang namin ng blood living guys. At nagdunit ng dugo sa mga kailangan. So ngayon, pauwi na kami guys. At ang dugo na ang binunit ay napakalaga po sa nangailangan, no? Tayo ay handang magbigay na mag-donate ng dugo guys. Sa oras na ito, kami po ay pauwi na. At maraming salamat sa inyo sa inyong mga suporta sa amin guys. Kasama ko yung mga teacher yan. Yung mga teacher. So, sa ito yung mga katubang sangay ng gobyerno, no? Sa dito sa reserve ko na. Ang Riyagos sa Tansa Cavite. So, pauwi na kami guys. At ito kami naglalakad sa araw na ito. At napakaganda nakapag-donate ka ng dugo sa ating kapwa. So guys, maraming salamat. Sana supportahan nyo ang vlog.
SOY or AFPY na depende sa appreciate o i-pumakulit sa talent headquarters. So wala yung support and we are J7 and with the support of the Liberal Stage and other radio station, we could go this type of activity. 1,000 during the first celebration, the second one 7,000 during the Philippine Army.
With your support, we can ensure the blood is readily available for 24/7, whenever and wherever.
Likewise, along with that certificate presented to the Reserve Command Philippine Army are the certificates during the conduct of its first and second nationwide simultaneous blood donation activity. May we request the J7 sir to join the commander and the dragging team in the photos. And also, through the conduct of regular blood bank initiatives that ensure consistent provision of clean and safe blood through our affiliated hospital blood banks in accordance with the Public Act number 7719, also known as the National Blood Services Act of 1994. This also recognizes Reston PA as an integral part